Namaste. Ganesha is known as Vignaharta, the remover of obstacles. We invoke him at the start of any new task or journey to ensure smooth progress. Listening to the Ganapati mantra can remove obstacles, give mental clarity and focus, give positive vibes, give inner strength and confidence. ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् महागणपतये नमः।